We have an exciting Powered by Powercast because we are at CES, the world's largest consumer electronics show, and we've got some great things. What's cool, if you've watched any of these Powered by Powercasts, you'll know that we send power over the air using 915 frequencies. This is our new Ubiquiti transmitter. It's beautiful and it's really nice, but that's not the neatest part here. The reason we won 3 innovation awards right here is because of what's inside the Ubiquiti transmitter. And that is the Ubiquiti module, or the electronics that actually make a transmitter. We've cost reduced a power transmitter reference design. All these chips on here, the BOM cost or bill of material for electronics manufacturers is $5. That is a revolutionary number, and that is going to get this into a lot of different electronics. One of the examples we have here is a Google Home. In a relatively short amount of time, our engineers put the module in, added the 5 volts to and a little power management and the antenna, which is this yellow thing here. And we had the world's first Google Home and RF power transmitter, the parts costing a little more than $5. This is amazing stuff, and it's really resonated. We've talked to a ton of people here at the booth, and we're super excited. So in what we have is some of the things we talked about in other episodes. In this little bathroom scenario is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toothbrushes all being charged on this beautiful double sink area using another transmitter here that is in the wall. So you can see by these light sticks the coverage of the RF. We can pretty much place these anywhere and they will start charging. And so the one-to-many principle, coupled with a $5 BOM cost for the transmitter, is truly going to make wireless power everywhere. And that's where we see it going, and that's where a lot of people see it going. We have our grip that everybody's familiar with, where you leave it in front of the transmitter. A little bit of demonstration is now, say we take that Ubiquiti chip, talk to Nintendo, they put it in there, a little antenna. We take this out of the equation, you're done gaming now. Now you just leave it in front of the switch and the Joy-Cons charge up. Nothing better than that. And for anyone that was here last year, the Samsung Eco Remote, last year this was the biggest thing at Samsung's booth. There's people that waited, there was a line around their booth 3 times. Then they would go actually just look at an Eco Remote up on the wall. They removed the batteries, and they said over the lifetime of 7 years, which is their typical TV lifespan, with the amount of TVs and remotes they sell, they were going to save 100 million batteries from going in the landfill. And that's great because they had a solar panel to charge it, they put a supercapacitor in there, got rid of the AA's, and then it also harvests from 2.4 gigahertz routers that people have in their houses. Now that you have multiple devices becoming RF power transmitters, you're going to have these zones in your house, and some things will just be able to pick up on that power that's being, like this thermostat that we retrofitted to be wirelessly powered. We're super excited about the clock that now is wirelessly powered as well. So this is just kind of in the zone of wireless power. And if you look down here, there's in the bathroom, you can see this water detection leak sensor that also is wirelessly powered. So, really it's almost an unbelievable amount of stuff that you can get into these zones now that RF wireless power is going to be ubiquitous in the home. So I hope you like that. We're super excited, and now you know a little bit more about all the good things that we're doing here in Powercast.